5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. You're going to push pull. 5, 6. Start getting on the slot. 7. Left hand's going to hammer lock. Right hand goes over the head counterclockwise. 1, 2. Start pushing to the back. 3. We're going to catch the left hand as we do a salsa step. 5. Bring her back on 6, 7. So on 7, we're going to start on hammer locking the left hand. So now we're going to bring the left hand up and the right hand down as I start turning to the right. 1. I'm going to hook behind, hammer lock the right hand on 2. We're going to start switching that hand behind the back. Start coming up with the hand. 3. Go over the head. 5. Connect the left. Push pull again. 6, 7. Get off the slide. So now with the left hand, we're going to unwind her as we open up. 1. We step to the side. 2. Step to face 3. Do a side basic. 5. Bring it all the way around. 6, 7. Open up. 1. Bring her forward. 2. We're going to give her enough momentum for a double free spin. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. 7 to basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a 2.5 left. Start with 1, 2, 3, 5. We're going to get misdirected. Cross in front on 6. Back on 7. Now we're going to do 2 turns to the right. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now we'll do a full turn to the left. 1, 2. Back on 3. Basic 5, 6, 7. And we're going to walk through 2.5 left. Forward on 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, tap. 6, 7. Big cross the lead. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.